This video is made possible by Farmers Market Singapore, an online butcher that is well known for offering high-quality meat products that are traceable, sustainable, and affordable, fresh from the farm gate to your plate. Today I'm going to be using their 100% grass-fed Australian beef, short ribs, and brisket to cook one of my favorite dishes. What's up you guys, Kiliancho here, and welcome to another episode of FoodieMommaPH in Singapore. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite dishes, beef pares. I've ordered some of the meats from an online grocery. This is actually my first cooking video ever, so I'm really excited. And I'm going to be cooking with short ribs and beef brisket, which I ordered from Farmers Market. I'm so excited, so let's get to cooking. Beef pares is a Filipino braised beef stew served with garlic rice and a bowl of clear soup. Pares in English means paired, which refers to the rice and soup to go with the beef as the ultimate combo. It's usually served in a roadside paresan, which is open 24/7 to cater to hungry locals. And for me, the best way to eat it is with chili garlic oil. Today I'm going to be recreating this flavorful and hearty dish, so I guess I'm going to call this episode Taste of Home. First thing we're going to do is prepare the ingredients for the beef broth. So I'm going to cut the onions into quarters, pound some garlic, then put everything to the pot. The short ribs, brisket, onions, garlic, bay leaves, peppercorns, pepper, and ginger. Add 800 milliliters of water and turn on the stove on high heat. Once it boils, lower down the heat and slow cook for 2 to 3 hours until the beef is tender. Next, prepare the ingredients for the chili garlic oil. Cut the red chilies, mince the garlic, heat up the pan and add the oil. By the way, I'm using canola oil in this recipe. Once it's hot, add in the garlic and wait for it to brown a little bit. Then add the chilies. Season it with salt and cook until it's crunchy. After 2.5 hours, transfer everything to another container as we're going to use the same pot to cook the pares. We're going to saute some minced garlic and onions, bring back the beef, add some soy sauce and sugar. By the way, I'm using light muscovado in this recipe. Finish it off with cornstarch to thicken the sauce and simmer for 30 minutes. Make sure to adjust the taste according to your preference. Lastly, we're gonna cook the fried rice. We're doing this on the final part so that the rice is still hot once the beef pares is cooked. Fry up some eggs. You can add more depending on the quantity of the rice. Add some garlic. Add the leftover rice, or what we call kaning lamig. Season with salt and mix it well. It's time to assemble everything. The chili garlic oil, beef pares, fried rice, and the clear soup. It's time to eat. Alright, it's time to try the beef pares. Both are 100% grass-fed beef and sourced from the coast of Australia. So this is my first time trying or cooking with high-quality beef, and I can already tell the difference when you cook normal beef compared to high-quality beef that has been taken care of. So this one, I slow cooked for like 2 hours. It's falling off the bones, especially the short ribs. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try this. So we have made the soup from the beef itself. And we got here the beef pares with the sauce that I've made and seasoned with soy sauce and star anise, some pepper, and I put a little light muscovado sugar. I added some cornstarch to thicken the sauce, but not as thick as the ones sold in the eatery. So let's try the food. Soup first. This one is the beef soup. When I say beef soup, it's pure beef soup and fat. Everything is in there. No, I didn't use any beef cubes or bouillon, whatever you call it. Just the natural flavor coming from the beef. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. These are all the oil coming from the beef. So this is gonna be good and flavorful.
Bow.
Oh, wow. Very beefy. Now let's dig into the pares. So this is the beef brisket, and this is the part from the short rib which fell off the bone. So what should I try first? Maybe this one, huh? See that? Oh my goodness. Look at that. I can't wait to try it. Let's get some more sauce. Look at that. This is gonna be a huge bite. Pares, come to me. Wow. You don't need teeth to bite into this. Immediately this integrates in your mouth. Oh, super, super good. Wow. It's just the right amount of garlic infused oil and spiciness in there, and the fried rice. Just a little background. Beef pares was called pares because the beef should be paired with rice and the soup. That's it. That's the combo that you should get. Nothing else, nothing more. Enough talking. I gotta keep eating. Now I'm gonna try the brisket. Wow. It's not as tender as the short rib, but it's tender. Oh man.
Tender is
I think that's it for this video. Wrapping it up, it is my first time cooking for the channel, actually. Cooking a recipe, and it's something that is close to my heart. I guess I'm calling this episode a taste of home, just cause it's bringing me back to the Philippines right now. This is something. Pares is a Filipino dish that has some Chinese influences for sure, because the soy sauce, the use of the star anise, something that, you know, has been influenced to us, but it is a Filipino comfort. If you're gonna be cooking at home, especially now during this quarantine season, I highly recommend that you do more online groceries, online for deliveries and all that, because it's gonna lessen our contact with other people and places and surfaces. Just stay home and use more cashless payments to be safe for you and for your family. So I highly recommend that you guys would order online groceries, specifically with Farmers Market, you may visit their website at farmersmarket.com.sg, and you will see there all the lists of products that they have. They have all different types of meat, from beef, lamb, pork, chicken. They also have cooked products, but mostly raw products, and they also have seafood. They have salmon, shrimp, whatever you want, and they also have wine and pasta. They deliver 5 days a week with no minimum order. If you order $150 worth and above, then there will be no delivery fee. It's all coming straight from their source, high quality meat products. They have the price range there if you want to check it out. They have a recipe blog. If you have no idea what to do with the meat or the protein, then you may check out their blog for all the recipes. Did you like the sabaw also? Did you like the sabaw? Is it yummy?